Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're alone? For decades, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, has been a passive one. We've been listening, hoping to catch a stray signal from a distant star. But what if we stopped just listening and started shouting into the cosmos? What if we actively tried to make contact? This isn't just a sci-fi question anymore. It's a real ethical debate happening right now. It's called active SETI, or messaging extraterrestrial intelligence METI. The idea is to send powerful intentional messages into space, telling anyone who might be listening that we are here. Sounds exciting, right? A cosmic greeting card from humanity. But hold on, because this is where things get complicated. Not everyone in the scientific community thinks this is a good idea. In fact, some brilliant minds, including the late Stephen Hawking, have warned against it. Their concern is based on something called the dark forest theory. Imagine a dark forest filled with hunters. The safest survival strategy is to stay silent. If you reveal your location, you might attract a predator. Applied to the universe, this theory suggests that broadcasting our existence could be incredibly risky. We have no idea what other civilizations might be like. Would they be friendly explorers, or would they see us as a resource to exploit or a threat to eliminate? History on our own planet shows us that when a more technologically advanced civilization encounters a less advanced one. On the other side of the debate, proponents of active SETI argue that these fears are overblown. They believe that any civilization advanced enough to travel between the stars would likely have moved beyond petty conflict and aggression. They might have solved the same problems we face today, like war and environmental destruction, and could be peaceful and wise. Sending a message could be our ticket to joining a galactic community, a chance to learn and grow in ways we can't even imagine. They also argue that we've even leaking radio and TV signals into space for over a century. If a hostile civilization is out there and has the capability to reach us, they probably already know we're here. So why not send a more coherent, intentional message that represents the best of humanity? The core of the problem is that we are remaking a decision on behalf of every single person on Earth, and future generations, without anyone's consent. Who gets to decide what we say? Who gets to speak for humanity? Should we send equations and scientific principles, or music and art? What if they misinterpret our message? A picture of a human waving might be a friendly greeting to us, but it could be seen as a threat by another species. There's no universal language, no cosmic Rosetta Stone to ensure we're understood. The stakes are astronomically high, and a mistake could be irreversible. This isn't a decision for a small group of scientists to make alone. It's a conversation that needs to involve everyone: philosophers, artists, sociologists, and the public. So, where do you stand? Should we boldly broadcast our presence and hope for the best, or should we continue to listen quietly from our corner of the universe? It's a profound question about our place in the cosmos and the future of our species. What message would you send to the stars if you had the chance? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear what you think about this. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy exploring these big questions, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.